Emotions such as love, joy, or anger are generated by complex biochemical and neurophysiological processes in our body. Neuroscientific studies have shown that certain neurotransmitters and brain regions are particularly involved in the development of emotions. In romantic love, dopamine, oxytocin, and vasopressin play a central role. Dopamine, which is released in the brain's reward system, is responsible for the euphoric feelings and the addictive attachment in a new love relationship. Oxytocin, often released during physical closeness, strengthens the emotional bond between partners. Vasopressin seems to particularly promote long-term commitment and fidelity in men, although fidelity is strongly influenced by psychological and cultural factors. Besides its role in pair bonding, vasopressin is also needed for regulating water balance. Studies in mammals, such as prairie voles, suggest that vasopressin, especially in males, reinforces partner bonding and promotes monogamous behavior. In humans, vasopressin seems to modulate social bonding, with variations in the vasopressin receptor gene possibly influencing relationship quality. Higher levels of vasopressin, for instance, might lead to increased partnership protection and parental care. However, fidelity in humans is influenced by many factors. Hormones are just one aspect in this complex interplay of psychological, social, and cultural influences. Specific brain structures are also involved in the genesis of anger reactions. Here, the amygdala, part of the limbic system, plays an important role. It assesses incoming sensory information and triggers a stress response when a threat is perceived, leading to an increase in adrenaline, cortisol, and blood pressure. This prepares the body for a fight or flight response. In addition, cognitive appraisal processes in other brain regions, such as the prefrontal cortex, influence the intensity of anger. In general, the release of these neurotransmitters and the activation of the corresponding brain areas can be stimulated by a variety of internal and external triggers. Visual and auditory perceptions, memories, social interactions, language, art, and even abstract thoughts can evoke emotions. Moreover, there is a close connection between our gut's enteric nervous system and our brain, the so-called gut-brain axis. Through this, the gut microbiota, the total bacteria in our gut, is linked with our neurological and psychological well-being. For example, stress can cause gastrointestinal complaints, and conversely, a healthy gut flora can alleviate depressive moods. In summary, the chemistry of emotions is a highly complex interplay of biochemistry, neurology, and psychology. Although we are increasingly understanding the involved processes, the emergence of feelings remains a fascinating phenomenon that cannot be reduced to individual neurotransmitters or brain structures. Our emotional experience is an emergent product of the wiring of these systems and is in constant interaction with our physical environment and mental inner world. If you don't want to miss further videos about interesting scientific topics, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to be notified when we publish new short videos. Thank you for watching.